Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 23rd of August 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant development from Colombia, the Superintendence of Industry and Commerce, or SIC, has raised concerns about Worldcoin, a decentralized identity initiative spearheaded by Sam Altman. The SEC has accused Worldcoin of potentially breaching personal data protection laws. This marks the start of an investigation into whether Worldcoin and its parent company, Tools for Humanity, have improperly gathered sensitive personal data through their Orb devices. These devices are operational in 25 locations across Colombia, including major cities like Bogotá and Medellín. It's important to note that this is a preliminary indictment without a formal accusation, aimed at assessing compliance with Colombian data protection regulations. If Worldcoin is found guilty, the repercussions could be severe. They might face economic sanctions, a temporary suspension of operations for up to 6 months, or even a complete shutdown in Colombia. This scrutiny is part of a larger trend, as various Latin American governments are beginning to examine Worldcoin's practices. For instance, Ecuador's central bank recently reiterated that cryptocurrencies are not recognized as legal tender, while Argentina's Data Protection Agency has also started inquiries into Worldcoin's data collection methods. Worldcoin has yet to respond to these allegations, highlighting ongoing concerns about data privacy and regulatory compliance in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency sector. Moving on to the world of stablecoins, Justin Sun's USDD stablecoin has recently lost its Bitcoin backing. A significant 12,000 BTC, valued at approximately $726 million, was removed from its collateral. This change leaves USDD primarily supported by TRX, the native token of the Tron blockchain. TRX has been gaining traction due to a surge in meme coin activity. The removal of Bitcoin was executed without any official action from the Tron DAO, prompting Sun to clarify on social media that collateral holders can withdraw funds freely, likening the situation to MakerDAO's operations. He pointed out that USDD's previous capital efficiency was lacking, with a long-term collateralization rate exceeding 300%. USDD, pegged to the US dollar, has a market cap of around $744 million and ranks 96th among cryptocurrencies. Initially designed as an algorithmic stablecoin, USDD transitioned to a hybrid model that included Bitcoin, TRX, USDT, and USDC as collateral. With the current reliance on TRX, which is more volatile, USDD's stability might be at risk. TRX has seen significant growth, trading at 0.5, and has doubled in value over the past year, contributing to a market cap of $13.5 billion. The Tron ecosystem has recently surpassed Solana in total value locked, reaching $8.2 billion across various decentralized finance protocols. Sun has indicated plans to enhance USDD's competitiveness in the decentralized stablecoin market, although he did not clarify the involvement of the Tron DAO in the recent changes. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Until next time, stay informed and stay secure.